she's singing tin 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 and she's locked me. मैं लाइव गया हूँ, अभी तक कोई आया नहीं है, रुको. Guys, Ayan has just joined. There's a few people who've joined me. Guys, I've been locked in my room, and you can hear a sound.
आप ऑफलाइन जाओ तो मैं खोलूंगी.
कौन है बाहर, जरा बताएंगे? आप अपना नाम बताइए प्लीज दर्शकों को. हेलो.
नहीं बता रही कौन. मैं नौशीन.
नौशीन कौन? ये आवाज फेमिलियर क्यों लग रही है मुझे? Guys, you all can see. ये देखिए मैं लॉक हो गया हूँ, and there is a culprit outside. नौशीन जी प्लीज आप खोलेंगे. I've been locked, guys. That's my room. And अब culprit ये कौन है?
और नौशीन जी.
This is a new Nौशीन.
नौशीन जी very rude.
Guys, okay, so I'm just letting you all know. There's a meme that's come out by this lady. So it was Thug Life. Abhi she enters my room. Acha, she says hello. This lovely lady here, and I say क्या चल रहा है? And she says, guys, this one right there says, I say क्या चल रहा है? And she's like, how did you do it? Very coolly, like, scene. One cap comes straight.
Don't do this, huh?
Can you see? Can you see? Don't be a. I can't hear anyways.
Don't
Guys,
be a baby.
देखो threaten कर रही है.
Why is such a baby? Why you have to
Don't
always
threaten
go
me.
and like run to? मेरे साथ ये किया.
Do you all see? Bro, that's my friend. Nick Aviator is my friend.
Hi Nick.
Nikhil, he's very cool.
Bro,
she's Thug Life right here, bro. Tarararara.
Dum. You converted me into. You turned me into a name. You really not like little bit, tiny bit of sympathy. Don't do
Put the
this.
camera right in your face. Right in your face. She locked me.
नहीं आ रही.
नहीं क्या चल रहा है? Okay, guys. This was a small introduction to what antics go on. This is. Oh, your room. Can I show your room?
Yeah.
Huh? She's got like a little bit of mood lighting going on. That's Muzu.
Little bit of moonlighting.
Bro, I'm in Croatia. Mary says hi. Hey, man. Mary, what's up? Sharon's also in. Sharon, why aren't you changing? Why is Sharon? Wait, this is our Sharon? Yeah, it is. Why is she not changing?
She must be changing.
Sharon, hi.
She is doing already.
नहीं, but she's not changing. वो तो live ज्वाइन कर लिया है.
Change करते.
चलो एक से उसके साथ टाइम पास करते हैं. Guys, I'm going to show you Sharon's room. Where's Sharon's room? Sharon? Has she joined our live? She's looking at our live from there, guys. That's our live.
I was watching her live.
I know you joined. I said, chalo, isko hello kar de. Okay, wait. We'll do Inception. Stay on. Wait one second. I'm going to go into your camera.
I was watching you guys.
Wow, look at the Inception going on.
I know. Look at my.
Hi.
Hi.
Yes, yeah. This is our gorgeous Sharon. She's getting decked up for our scene. Chalo, bye, Sharon.
Bye.
That's Manish doing time pass. Manish, say hi. Rock, this is my set, bro. And this guy takes care of me. He's kind of cool. So what's up? And that's this guy. Walaikum salam. So this guy is trying to steal my job. Assalamu alaikum. Javed bhai, kaise hain? So he comes in front of the director. Okay, he comes in front of our director, har bar, and he like make his hair, and he like hello sir, and all that. So what he's basically trying to do is get me replaced. This guy right here.
ऐसा कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. ये तो बस सर ऐसा बोल देते हैं. ये तो बस मजाक की बात है.
100 कुछ मजाक नहीं. This guy, see, he pretends to be innocent. Do not trust him. हाँ, ये ऐसी innocently बात करते रहता है, and he pretends to be innocent. And that is the director I'm talking about. So you're live. अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर. ये मेरी नौकरी खाने के चक्कर पे. हाँ, this guy. ये आपके सामने हमेशा बन टन के आता है. मैं बोलता मेरी नौकरी खाने के चक्कर पे. आप रिप्लेस करने की मुझे. हाँ जावेद भाई, अभी डायरेक्टर भी सामने खड़े हमारे साथ.
बिल्कुल ये नौकरी खा सकते हैं भाई.
सी
नहीं ऐसे ये तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है.
क्यों नहीं है?
हाँ सर, मालूम आपके बैंड पहन के आता है. अच्छा, और फिर जब भी मैं उसको देखता हूँ ना, आपके पास आएगा. अस्सलाम सर. मैं बोल रहा साला
जानते हो ना. तो
वही.
हाय हेलो सलाम दुआ तो होता है.
चलो मैं नीतू मैम को हेलो बोलता हूँ. नीतू मैम क्या करी? नीतू मैम, I'll show you guys Neetu ma'am. Ma'am, can I just introduce people to you? Live guys, that is the gorgeous Neetu ma'am. She's actually, the Neetu is the name of the character. She plays this thing. Hi ma'am. कैसे आप? How are you feeling now? Guys, she's a rock star and she's looking gorgeous on this, man. She looks gorgeous nicely. Ma'am, आपको कैसे दिखाऊं मैं? You are looking so beautiful. Okay, I'll see you later, ma'am. Bye. Okay guys, ये था हम लोग. Oh, this is the most pretty lady in the world. Look at that gorgeous face she's making. Why are you making that lovely face? Wait, this-
शिमला मिर्च कौन खाता है यार? सोयाबीन and शिमला मिर्च in the name of protein.
Yeah, no, I'm sure.
कुरकुरे भिंडी. या भिंडी के साथ सूखी भिंडी के साथ कैसे खाऊं?
So these are our antics, and that was it. Now let's see if live. So you basically on live. अच्छा सब चले गए. Okay, guys, this is it. I'm checking out. That's Atul Dada. He handles my makeup as well. Atul Dada, say what's up. What's up? What's up? And say what's up. And see that guy who's being a little shy and all that. Sanatan Dada who's not looking towards us. Huh? We'll stick the camera in his face. We'll stick it in his face. So Sanatan Dada does our makeup too. Sanatan, say hello.
Hello, sir.
Hi, he does. So this is where all the makeup guys sit. Who are you? Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Khushbu Singh. I'm
Okay.
styling assistant.
Okay.
सर को जो गर्मी लगती है जिन कपड़ों में वो कपड़े मैं ही देती हूँ.
This is the one. Look at her face, guys. I'm struggling. And now I'm going to introduce you to the cutie of our set. This is the cutest. Wait, we slowly pan on her. Because she's the cutest thing in the world. Hey, wait. Guys, I've got 1,100 people right now alive. Can you all answer a question for me, please? All of you, okay? I personally think she's got one of the best smiles I have ever seen. Let's see. Look, what do you think? Look at that smile. Guys, what do you all think? Can you all answer this question for me, please? Okay, we're checking. All right. Look at that smile even right now.
Atik, you have to come stand next to me.
Atik, जाओ.
I
मैं
can't
live
hear.
कर रहा हूँ and I'm asking everybody live 1,100 लोग हैं. Guys, this is Atik. Sir. Yeah. So.
I can't get embarrassed all alone. Come stand next to me.
अच्छा खड़े हो जाना दोनों. मैंने क्या पूछा लोगों से, मैंने एक लाइव टेस्ट किया. मैंने बोला कि मुझे लगता है पर्सनली इसकी स्माइल बेस्ट स्माइल है. She's got one of the nicest smiles. Look at that man. She's so nice. Yes, she has the best smile. Yes, she has the best smile. She is so cute. Thank you guys. Guys, I love you all. I'm doing ये वाला तुम लोग के लिए. Thank you. Alright, चलो. I'm out guys. Love you guys. Bye bye. She's so cute. And